On September 29, 2023, Trooper Brent Walker was patrolling US Highway 79 when he spotted a vehicle with the driver not wearing a seatbelt. As the trooper attempted to conduct a traffic stop, the driver refused to stop and accelerated away, starting a dangerous pursuit. The suspect quickly increased speed, reaching over 100 miles per hour while driving through city streets and rural roads. The vehicle swerved through traffic, nearly collided with other vehicles, ran a stop sign, and continued fleeing as Trooper Walker stayed behind, attempting to bring the pursuit to an end.
Wrecked out, 10-16. Get on the ground! I'm gonna tase you! I will tase you! I will tase you! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the fucking ground! I'm on the ground! Get on the ground!
The pursuit ended when the suspect vehicle lost control, left the roadway, and crashed into an embankment and a tree. The driver, later identified as Stephanie McLeod, attempted to flee on foot, but was eventually taken into custody after a lengthy struggle with the trooper and faced multiple charges. Officers in Richland Center, Wisconsin were dispatched to Walmart after two suspects attempted to steal nearly $1,200 worth of merchandise. When store employees tried to stop them, the suspects fled in a vehicle, leading officers to begin searching for the suspect vehicle.
Eagle. We're still southbound Wisconsin Avenue. We're going to be turning west on Walnut Street. I have my upstream on Walnut Street. 811, this one going north on Iowa Street. Blue this time. Stop sign on Walnut. Going east on Beach. Blue the stop sign. Heavily, be going through an alleyway. Back cell phone. We're coming to a stop.
An officer located the vehicle and attempted a traffic stop, but the driver refused to stop and fled. During the escape, the suspect vehicle crashed into another vehicle at an intersection, injuring the other driver, but continued fleeing as officers pursued.
On the ground! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground or you're gonna be mad! Watch him! Hey, get your dog! Get your fucking dog!
Hey! You put your fucking dog in the house. We're on our own property, asshole!
Yeah, you were just involved in a high-speed chase. I wouldn't worry about that right now.
Put your own dog in the fucking car. He's on his own property. He's on it. Don't you touch my dog.
That's my dog.
He's on his own property, dude.
Come on.
I'm not even fucking
come on.
resisting.
Bear,
Ma'am,
come on.
I'm not resisting.
Bear.
All right? Can I...
811 Eagle, if you can copy, 1 to 10.
Kate, who lives here? Who ran in the house?
Okay.
Who ran in?
It was my daughter.
Where'd she go?
I don't know. I think she ran out the front door, but I just come look. I don't know. I don't know.
Who's
where
your-
I was out back.
I know. Who's your daughter?
Stephanie.
Stephanie what?
DeLuke.
Okay. So you think she ran out front?
I think she ran out, yeah.
Are you lying to me?
No, I think she ran out. I'm not lying to
Okay,
you.
no,
I
no.
don't know.
All right.
I was out back the whole time. And look, my mom's
Who is-
got a brain injury. This is too much for her. I don't know what's happening. Please tell me
She got
what's
into a
going on.
high-speed chase and crashed into her vehicle in Richmond Center.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, say that again.
She ran from the cops.
Why?
She
What
crashed she was stealing. She crashed into a vehicle, and then she took off.
Oh my God.
Man, all she said is, I'm going home, I'm going home. I said, okay.
Who's this?
And then we kept running. Fring.
Orland?
Yes, sir.
Can you spell it for me? R-L-E-N.
Orland. Yep.
Is there a bit?
Huh?
A D at the end of it?
Orland.
Frank. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I don't think he's being truthful about his name.
No.
So Stephanie DeLong. Stephanie DeLong is the driver. She's either in the house or she ran out the front. Mom thinks she ran out the front, but we also haven't searched the house.
Do we have anyone out front?
What's that?
Do we have anyone out front?
We have no one out there.
Okay, I'll
yeah.
go up front.
Appreciate it.
I've never even been in any trouble. I don't know what's going on with her boyfriend.
Who's your
been in
boyfriend?
trouble. That's my daughter moved here with us, and it's her new boyfriend. That's him. He's the one who starts all this. Anthony Orland or Frank.
Oh, so he kind of told the truth. But this is here?
Yeah, this is her.
Well, here. I don't want you to be the one that goes
Is
there.
the dog in there?
Well, no, the dog's not in this one.
Then-
The dog's in my room.
Can you come back here?
Okay, where do you want me?
Out there.
Okay.
So it's locked. So she's probably
No,
in there?
it can't be locked.
Well, no, it's locked, so she's in there.
We'll try it. I don't. This.
Watch that door.
I think it's just stuck.
Okay, it might just be stuck.
Yeah, because this bathroom door does the same thing. You have to turn it to the left.
Got it?
Really loud. Okay, this is my mom's room, and then this will take you to.
Here, she thinks we're chasing her. I don't want you to like jump in there and have her do something to you thinking it's us. That's why I keep stopping.
Okay,
you.
I don't
You
even know
what
if
I'm
she's
saying?
here. Yeah, because I was just gonna. Right there's my room. That's where the dog is.
Okay.
So
Well,
this
let
is
me-
what. That's where you have to go, but you gotta let the dog. The
Yep.
dog.
No,
will-
I'm not gonna go in there.
Yeah, because he doesn't like this.
Yeah, that's
stuff.
fine. I'm not gonna go in there without you.
Yeah, please just let me know. In my room, that's where the dog is.
She was
But
wearing a
I'm telling
white
you, she
T-shirt
ran on top.
and sweatpants.
Show me your hands! Get out! On the ground, face down! Flip over! Put your hands behind your back!
Hold on, Gerber.
I am.
I got it.
I'm not doing anything against you. Stop treating me that way.
Really?
I'm not defiant.
Just caused a crash,
You-
got a pursuit.
You killed my brother.
All right, they
Yes, they did.
they're not soft.
Yes, they are. They killed my brother.
Richland County. Sauk County.
Mom, they killed my brother.
There's a lot going on.
Mom,
We have a second detained.
Mom, they killed my brother.
Okay, listen, Stephanie, this isn't Sauk County. I don't want to hear it. What you and Anthony did was wrong. I don't even want to be standing here because I don't want no trouble. But don't shoot her. That's for sure.
No, shoot me, please.
We're not doing that.
I'd rather be shot, Mom.
That's just it. She'll beg you to shoot her.
Well, I mean, I'm not gonna like just do it because she's begging me, Stephanie.
Has been terrible.
So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna roll you up onto your butt, and then I'm gonna stand you up, okay?
No, please. I'd rather you just shoot me.
No, we're not gonna do that. Ready? Just grab your other hand. Come on, Stephanie. Oh no.
Stand up. We're adults.
All right, let's walk out here.
Listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, wait till it.
The pursuit continued until the driver reached a residence where the suspects abandoned the vehicle and fled inside the home. Both suspects were eventually taken into custody and transported to jail, facing charges related to the theft and fleeing from police. Arkansas State Police assisted the Texarkana, Arkansas Police Department in a pursuit involving a stolen vehicle. ASP located the vehicle traveling through Texarkana and attempted to stop the driver, but the suspect refused to surrender and fled.
Speed's about 90. Traffic's pretty heavy.
Well, our man was only about they're going towards I-30 now.
Inside shoulder, they're about to wreck out right here. Looks like, yep, they're wrecking out in the median. Roll over, roll over.
The suspect turned onto Interstate 30 and accelerated to approximately 95 miles per hour while troopers pursued. Near the I-30/I-49 interchange, the driver attempted to pass another vehicle through the median, lost control, and caused the stolen vehicle to overturn. The vehicle came to rest on its roof, and troopers quickly took the 17-year-old driver into custody.